All right, we're going to start with example 2. Find the value of x that will make the equation true. So again, let's start by just doing the things that we do know. We're going to put a line down the middle, and we are going to label the side with the variable, which is right here, and the side with the numbers, which is right here. Now, this is basically almost the same problem as example 1. The only difference is now it's not 2x, it's negative 2x, and that's really important for you to be aware of. So what we're going to do is same thing. What we want to do is find the value of 1x. So we've got to get rid of the numbers on the variable side because we only want the variable. So if we have plus 10, we subtract 10 on both sides, which we kind of already did last time. So we would know that what we get is negative 2x. 10 minus 10 gives me 0, so we just put equals. 22 minus 10 is 12. Okay, now here's the part where you always have to make sure that you do. We want to get 1x. We don't want negative 1x. So what I do to get 1, a positive 1, I have to divide by the same number, which is negative 2. And make sure your division sign is small. It's not like this. So on both sides, we divide by negative 2. Okay, so that would give me a positive 1x equals, and then 12 divided by negative 2 is negative 6. Remember, if they're different signs, when you multiply or add, they give you division. If it's the same, they give you a negative, same signs give you a positive. So we have 1x equals negative 6. So we have to make sure that that's correct. So instead of putting 6 this time, we are putting in negative 6. So we plug it in, we get negative 2 multiplied by negative 6 plus 10 equals 22. Okay, so here's the deal. Remember, if they're the same sign, so if I multiply a negative times a negative, I will get a positive, right? That's why when we divided two negative numbers, we get a positive. So this is going to give me a positive 12 plus 10 equals 22. And here you get 22 equals 22. So remember, multiplying two negative numbers together gives you a positive number. So that would give me a positive 12. And so that means our answer is correct. And then when you put in your answer here, we just put negative 6. And then we move on. So then we're just going to hop on to example 3.